First thing you want to do is you want to get your chicken stock going. So you want to grab yourself 2 cups of water, put it in this nice stock pot, grab yourself your 2 bouillon cubes, open them up, drop them in, and turn your fire on a medium-high heat. And warm it up. You want to make sure your stock is nice and hot so that way when you add it to your vegetables you cut back on your cooking time. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to chop up your onion or your celery. So you want to grab 2 stalks of celery, clean them real good in the water, take and slice some lengthwise. So you're about 1/4 inch thick, set them to the side. And just slowly cut them, make it about 1/4 inch wide. And you want to get about 1/4 cup of celery, or diced celery. So we're going to dice this puppy up. Just be careful not to cut your fingers when you're doing this, because it does smart. Let's see how much we got. There you go, about 1/4 cup. You're going to take your margarine now, throw it in a stock pot. Turn your fire on a medium-high. Let your butter melt. While your butter's melting, you're going to grab your onion, slice off both ends. Just make a small little slice across here. It's the easiest way I know how to peel an onion. And just grab that first layer and peel it off.